Hey there, fellow pickleball enthusiasts. Today, I've got a special treat for you. I've come through over 100 verified buyer reviews to bring you my top 3 pickleball paddles for beginners. You won't want to miss this, so stick around and don't forget to check out the product links in the description for the best deals. Niupipo MX-25. The Niupipo Pickleball Paddles set of 2 has garnered a range of feedback from verified buyers, making it a compelling option for both beginners and seasoned players. Customers appreciate the value it offers, including 4 balls, 2 indoor and 2 outdoor, and a convenient carrying case. Many noted the comfort and lightweight design of the paddles, making them ideal for extended gameplay. The comfortable grip and controlled swings provided by the fiberglass surface and polypropylene honeycomb core impressed users, allowing for better maneuverability on the court. Several buyers highlighted the stylish design of these paddles with a sleek white color and attractive patterns that add sophistication to the game. The set's overall durability and build quality received praise, and it was particularly noted for being a perfect starter kit for those new to pickleball. While some buyers found these paddles to be suitable for beginners, others suggested that they may not be as advanced as more expensive options, emphasizing the adage, "You get what you pay for." Despite this, the majority of reviewers found the Niupipo Pickleball Paddles set of 2 to be a valuable purchase, enhancing their pickleball experience. Niupipo Explorer Pro. The Niupipo Voyager Pro and Explorer Pro pickleball paddles have garnered praise from numerous verified buyers. Many have found the Voyager Pro, with its elongated design, to be a unique and effective choice. It took a bit of adjustment for some users, but the extended length improved their reach and allowed for versatile shots. The graphite face provided the necessary texture for effective spins, and the 13.5mm polypropylene honeycomb core offered a comfortable balance of control and power. The well-balanced, lightweight design of the Voyager Pro was appreciated by those who prefer a lighter paddle. The Explorer Pro, with its standard dimensions, proved to be a solid upgrade from cheaper sets. Its graphite surface offered better control compared to the fiberglass model, and it was well-suited for various playing styles. It was noted for its consistency, especially in serves. The included paddle cover was a nice touch, even if it required a bit of effort to fit the paddles. Buyers highlighted the appealing graphics on both sides of the paddles and the paddle's durability, with minimal signs of wear and tear even after extensive use. Both paddles are USA Pickleball approved for sanctioned tournaments. While these paddles may not be top choices for professional players in today's market, they are highly recommended for beginners, intermediates, and advanced players in the 2.0 to 4.0 DUPR range. The versatility of these paddles, their affordable price point, and the exceptional customer service from Niupipo make them solid choices for a wide range of players. Buyers also appreciated the value of the included paddle covers and noted that these paddles provided a great introduction to the sport, making them perfect for families or groups of friends wanting to play together. Overall, the Niupipo Voyager Pro and Explorer Pro both received high ratings and are considered reliable options for pickleball enthusiasts, offering a win-win situation for players of various skill levels. NewFit BLUR. Buyers have praised the NewFit BLUR pickleball paddles as an excellent choice for beginners. They highlight the quality of the product with comments like great weight, size, grip, and style, and very well made and light. These paddles seem to offer a comfortable grip and control, which is important for those new to the sport. The product's value for money is emphasized in several reviews, with customers noting the affordable price and included extras such as paddle covers and balls. Some buyers even consider it a great starter set, mentioning that it's ideal for those just getting into pickleball. However, there are concerns about the durability of the included balls, with a few users reporting that the balls split in half during play. While the paddles receive praise, the quality of the balls seems to be a point of contention. Overall, the NewFit BLUR pickleball paddles have garnered positive feedback for their quality, grip, and value for beginners, making them a compelling choice for those looking to start their pickleball journey. Thanks for watching my video on the top pickleball paddles for beginners, based on verified buyer reviews. If you want to learn more about these paddles and make a purchase, check out the product links in the video description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful content.